Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify with Amazon. First, you'll want to integrate your Shopify store directly with your Amazon Seller Central account. This powerful connection allows you to manage your product listings, inventory, and orders all from one central dashboard. By linking these two e-commerce giants, you can significantly expand your customer base and streamline your operations, reaching millions of potential buyers across both platforms. It's a smart way to grow your business. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin and install the Amazon Sales Channel app. This essential app acts as the bridge between your two stores. Once installed, you'll securely link your existing Amazon Seller Central account. It's crucial to ensure that your product SKUs are identical on both Shopify and Amazon to prevent any inventory discrepancies. Take a moment to configure your shipping and tax settings within the app for smooth, automated order processing. With your accounts connected, you can now effortlessly sync your product listings from Shopify directly to Amazon. This means you only need to manage your inventory in one place, typically Shopify. When a product sells on either platform, the inventory count automatically updates across both, preventing overselling. You can also update product descriptions, images, and pricing on Shopify, and these changes will reflect on your Amazon listings, saving you valuable time and effort. Once an order comes in from Amazon, you can fulfill it directly through your Shopify admin. Many merchants choose to leverage Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, where Amazon handles storage, packing, and shipping. This frees up your time to focus on growth. All your order data and customer information remains centralized in Shopify, giving you a comprehensive overview of your business performance. This integration is a powerful tool for scaling your e-commerce venture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.